Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to reset your Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're troubleshooting connectivity problems or simply looking to start fresh with your network, performing a reset is both quick and easy. Stay tuned as we guide you through the entire process. Setting up the Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender is essential to eliminate weak or dead spots in your home network. By boosting your router's signal, it extends coverage to areas with poor connectivity, providing a stronger and more reliable Wi-Fi experience for all your devices. Start by locating the reset button on your Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender. It's typically positioned on either the side or bottom of the device. Since the button is recessed, you'll need a small tool like a paperclip or pin to press and hold it to initiate the reset. After locating the reset button, press and hold it for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you'll notice the LED lights on the extender start blinking or cycling on and off. This is a clear indication that the reset process has started and the device is rebooting. Once you release the reset button, allow the Trifiboost extender a few moments to fully reboot. During this time, the LED lights will blink or cycle. When the lights become stable, it confirms that the extender has successfully reset to its factory settings and is ready for reconfiguration. With your extender now reset, it's time to reconfigure it. Open your web browser and enter the default IP address or URL listed in the user manual, which is usually 192.168.10.1. This will take you to the setup page where you can begin re-establishing the connection. Next, reconnect the Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender to your home network by following the setup process. Ensure you place the extender in an optimal location, ideally halfway between your router and the area needing improved coverage, to maximize its signal boosting capabilities and enhance overall Wi-Fi performance. If you experience any issues or need assistance, our team of experts is available to help. Simply call us at 323-471-3045 for support and guidance. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And that's it. Your Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender has been successfully reset and is ready to be set up again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.